오늘의 주인공 캐롤라인.
The year this story takes place is the year nearly everything happened to me. It was the year I moved from the city to a backwoods hick town to finish high school. It was the year an industrial fire wouldn't stop burning just outside of town. The year my dad first discovered an itch that much later became cancer, and later still took all his hair and then his life. It was the year a serial killer wearing a white suit roamed the county, leaving pretty young kids dead in his wake.
그녀는 그 한 해에만 여러 가지 일을 경험하게 됩니다.
And for the first time, I went crazy insane for love. It seemed like the whole world was about to end.
먼저 도시에서 시골 학교로 전학을 갔는데 그곳은 불량 학생들이 많은 학교였죠.
But this school wasn't just mean and gossipy. It was full-on scary. Yeah, let me tell you the legend of Laura Lee. Laura Lee was a student at her school who danced nights at a strip club. But what's amazing is that this poor girl's attendance record was perfect. I mean, here she is dancing every night until 2 or later. Still, she makes it to twice as many classes as most people. And then last March, some girls were playing in a field when they found her body.
심지어 같은 학교를 다니던 한 여학생이 의문의 죽음을 당하는 사건이 발생하기도 했습니다.
And that was life at Hargrove High.
You want to come smoke weed with us after class?
Sure, that'd be cool.
불량 학생들과 어울리던 캐롤라인은
Charles, Craig, and Thurston. Yeah, we met.
그중 덜스턴이라는 남학생의 이성적 호감을 받으며
You okay?
Yeah. I don't even like skateboarding.
Yeah, well, you should go walk it off.
Can I walk it off with you?
그와 친하게 지내게 되죠.
Do you even remember meeting me at that party?
Of course I do.
What do you think of our fine town this far?
I think it's a stupefyingly friendly place full of wholesome, God-fearing, gun-bearing folk.
It's not all that bad. Just gotta give people a chance. As always, it was a treat having you on the program, Miss Wexler.
Bye. The first time I met Thurston, he approached me at a party, trying his best to be charming. And then I guess things went wrong for him.
덜스턴은 깊은 우울증을 앓고 있었는데
Thurston? It's not your fault.
Well, I'm not doing the dishes.
과거 그가 캐롤라인을 처음 만났던 파티에서
Hi. What a great girl. Fantastic. Fucking tastic.
Yeah.
You think she has a boyfriend? Girl like that's born with a boyfriend, I guess.
Oh, who gives a shit? So you steal her away?
Yeah?
Yeah.
즐거운 시간을 보낸 뒤 친구와 함께 차를 타고 이동하던 중
Go.
What's wrong?
My leg gets fucked up real bad. I got drugs in my pocket. Gotta hide them before the police come or I'm royal. Thurston!
Sorry. Yeah, no.
Boys all right down there? I called the police. They're on the way.
Oh, no, we're okay, thank you. Call back and tell them not to come.
Need any help?
Go!
큰 사고가 나면서 눈앞에서 친구를 잃었기 때문이었고
Later, the doctor said Raleigh had been hemorrhaging internally and there was nothing anyone could have done. And though he could hear the distant sirens, Thurston knew that an ambulance can only go so fast.
이 때문인지 자꾸만 자기 파괴적인 행동을 했습니다.
Do you really hate school that much? You know, I just moved back to this town. And I gotta tell you, this place has become a real shithole. But I was you. I know you've got real thoughts going on inside of there.
하지만 캐롤라인이 끌리는 사람은 따로 있었는데 바로 학교 선생님 벨이었죠.
Don't we all want to be somebody different sometimes? Someone smarter and sexier and bolder than we really are? Or maybe I just looked and saw someone that was as lonely as me. After my mom died and we started moving all the time, it was like my dad and I had all this love to give, but no one to give it to. Or maybe I just went a little crazy.
You wanted to see me?
Guys here are so immature and sexist, and the girls are worse. They eat it up. No self-respect. It's just all so different from where we're supposed to be at this point in women's history, you know? How old are you?
그녀는 그에게 노골적인 관심을 보이며
I wanted to let you know you're not alone. Here's my paper.
집까지 찾아가 끈질기게 호감을 표시했고
You know, there's a serial killer running around with a white suit on. You're the one who won't let me in. I might die.
You really shouldn't joke about things like that. Caroline, to tell you the truth, I know what you're doing. Can I give you a lift home? You should really leave.
Ooh, can I have some wine?
No, absolutely not. No, hey, this is like when people describe a car crash happening in slow motion.
You need to relax. I am the one seducing you. Besides, I find you very handsome.
그와 결국 연인이 됩니다.
Promise me you won't tell anybody.
promise.
Promise?
I promise. Mon professeur de les œufs.
Aww. That coffee's terrible, babe. Eggs are good though.
그녀가 그와 함께 있을 무렵
Good morning, sir. Is Caroline home?
No, she spent the night with some friends.
She's friends?
덜스턴이 그녀의 집을 찾아가면서
I sometimes just wonder if Caroline's integrating well with people.
뭔가 이상함을 느끼죠.
Yes. I'm here for him.
Oh, is it time for your tutorial already?
So you tutor now?
한편 가벼운 마음으로 관계를 시작한 캐롤라인이었지만
Yeah, well, he can't help you today because he promised he'd help me with the track team. Isn't that right, Barry?
서서히 베리에게 큰 마음을 갖게 되는데
I'm sorry, Miss Wexler, but we're going to have to reschedule.
Don't bother.
그는 학교 선생님으로서 비밀 관계를 유지해야 했고 이 때문에 마음이 복잡해지기 시작합니다.
Hello. How's the track team doing?
Hey, baby. Yeah, look, I'm sorry about that. It's just, things are starting to look a little suspicious. Caroline, look, I'm a single guy living in a small town of gossips. I gotta go out with somebody sometime.
Yeah, well, how would you like it if I did that?
I should. You're cracking up.
Oh, no. Don't do this.
I can't. Caroline, you're cracking up. I promise you I'll call you later, okay?
그에게 상처받은 캐롤라인은 덜스턴을 찾아가고
And I want to go out with you.
Really?
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
그들은 차에서 관계를 맺게 되는데 이로 인해 그는 그녀에게 더 깊은 감정을 갖게 되죠.
So for those of you finished with Jane Austen, feel free to start with Faulkner. Otherwise, read. Caroline, could I see you after class, please?
하지만 여전히 캐롤라인의 마음은 베리에게 가 있었고
I want to spend the weekend with you at my place. I'll cook dinner. We'll play board games.
Really? Just us alone.
그들은 지속해서 만남을 유지합니다.
Good evening, Miss Reisler.
She's busy studying.
Okay, can I just say a quick hello?
Absolutely not. I got rid of him for you.
Thanks, Daddy.
때문에 덜스턴이 집을 찾아오더라도 그를 밀어내게 되죠.
So I guess I've avoided talking about myself for long enough. All I really know is that I'm just about the moodiest girl in the world.
이렇듯 그녀가 정신적으로 불안정하게 된 이유가 있었는데
I swear to God, sometimes I get super depressed. A year after my mom died, I found a photo album with all these pictures of my family. It was weird to see us so happy, still looking forward to something, with no idea what was about to happen. Anyway, for 2 weeks afterwards, I was so depressed I couldn't even leave my room. I was so sad. My dad took me to a doctor who said I was suffering from lack of serotonin to the brain.
그건 엄마의 죽음으로 인한 것이었습니다.
Just like I said, I don't think her father likes me.
한편 덜스턴이 캐롤라인 집에서 쫓겨난 걸 알게 된 그의 엄마가
I'm gonna go over there and take care of this.
You're not gonna do anything embarrassing, are you?
I'm your mother. I don't do anything embarrassing.
이번엔 본인이 나서 캐롤라인의 아빠와 대화하게 되고
I made you some more cupcakes. I thought we could talk.
It happened about 4 years ago, and she was diagnosed with breast cancer, throat cancer, even though she never smoked a day in her life. And then she passed on about 6 months after that.
I'm sorry.
Thank you. And what about your husband?
He was a musician, and then a few years ago he just stopped coming home.
Well, I have absolutely no idea why anybody would stop coming home to you.
My son Thurston, smart boy. He's just had a hard time.
I judged him too quickly. I'm sorry. Would you like to dance with me?
Yes.
묘한 분위기가 형성되면서 그녀의 작전이 먹히죠.
Had your mom come to my house to beg for another date? That is so pathetic.
Yes, I agree.
이때 캐롤라인은 덜스턴을 찾아오는데
Well, you're fucked. 6. My dad is forcing me to go out with you, so let's just get this over with, all right? Take me at 8.
그의 엄마 작전이 성공함에 따라 캐롤라인과 덜스턴은 데이트를 하게 됩니다.
Hey, baby.
Get over here.
Caroline, your friend is here.
I gotta go out with this loser, but afterwards I'll come right over, okay?
이 사실을 연인인 베리에게 전하는 캐롤라인.
Thurston Goldberg.
That is fantastic.
그는 전혀 신경 쓰지 않는 듯했고
Okay, be there soon.
All right, come on, hurry.
Okay, bye.
그녀는 덜스턴을 만난 뒤 그를 찾아가겠다고 약속합니다.
We going out or what?
I guess we're going out.
I ain't going.
All right, well, thanks for the beer.
All right. See you later, son.
See ya.
Okay, where are we going? What are we doing?
I think that we probably should not have sex together tonight. I think that's maybe where we went wrong last time.
Okay. That wasn't going to happen anyway.
And by the way, that was my first time. I will get better as our relationship progresses.
What? Why is everyone in this town so delusional? The girls around here, the highlight of their pathetic lives is going to be their yearbook photo. They'll spend the first half of their lives planning their weddings, and they'll spend the second half regretting that.
No, they'll have kids and be surprisingly happy.
Everybody just cheats on each other.
No, I would never, ever cheat on you.
All right, date's over. You're insane.
빠르게 데이트를 끝낸 그녀는
Sorry I'm tardy, Mr. A.
Come in, quick.
That night I tried to pretend we were a regular couple.
약속대로 베리의 집으로 향하고 그곳에서 이 유머를 공허함을 느끼죠.
But when it was over, I felt more like a fake than ever. So I crept downstairs to finish reading his manuscript. The story follows a boy named Larry as he comes of age in a small town.
캐롤라인은 그가 써놓은 장문을 읽게 되는데
As he grows older, Larry moves to the city and gets engaged to a beautiful stockbroker. One day, Larry comes home early from work and catches his fiancée and his best friend on a twister board. Larry then moves back to his hometown where sometimes he drives through the streets all night, hunting for ghosts long past. And other times he calls old friends and pretends to be a telemarketer with a bad fake British accent. What do you think the end of the world will look like? Are you happy?
If so,
If so, why? How can you be happy? Don't you watch the news?
이를 통해 그가 얼마나 불안한 사람인지를 알게 되고
Finally, as in all good tales, Larry is saved by the love of an ethereal young woman whose sole purpose is to service his every need, and only when with this cliched, vapid little moron does he feel like the genius he knew he'd become. Am I the ethereal young woman?
well, it's fiction. So, bit of an oversimplification. Essentially, yeah.
마음이 식어버리고 맙니다.
Semi-engaging in that pseudo-creepy, self-pitying, lonely male kind of way. If you have the audacity, inaccuracy, to describe me as ethereal, as some flawless, perfect thing, then f*** you. The only reason you think I am ethereal is because all we do is have sex and flirt and have the main character of my life. I'm not here to save you.
곧바로 덜스턴을 찾아간 그녀는 그와 잠자리를 하면서 이제서야 그에게 진심을 느끼기 시작하죠.
Miss Wexler, could I see you for a minute?
Can't, I have to go.
It's important.
학교에서 마주치게 된 캐롤라인과 베리.
I'll come see you.
Cook dinner?
그녀는 더 이상 그와 함께하고 싶어 하지 않았고 이 모습에 그는 불안함과 질투를 느낍니다. 정신이 온전하지 않게 된 그는
Hello?
A few quick questions regarding our survey. Against cancer, what is the annual income of your household? Is it above 150,000?
Yes.
Well, do you consider yourself a happy person? What do you think the end of the world will look like?
Talking to?
Barry, is that you?
Barry? Hang up the phone.
Barry, are you okay?
Hang it up. Don't
Everyone
call
is
back
worried
here
about you.
again.
Just tell me if you're
Hang it
okay.
up.
머리도 염색하고 다른 여자에게도 전화해보지만 아무것도 원하는 대로 되지 않았고
No or not?
About your hair? It looks good.
You don't know, do you? I've been having sex with Caroline.
덜스턴에게 캐롤라인과 자신의 관계를 폭로하며
She never even really liked you at all anyway. It was just that we needed a cover. the bottom of your heart, you knew it was too good to be true. Well,
괜한 화풀이를 하죠.
Hey, Thurston.
Get out of my house!
What?
Out of my house! How could you do it? Why would you do it?
Thurston, it's over. I dumped him for you. It's over.
이에 충격을 받은 덜스턴은 캐롤라인을 만나 화를 내고
I don't want to hear your fucking excuses! Just get the away from me!
Tell Thurston I'm sorry.
그녀는 자신의 감정에 대한 혼란과 슬픔에 빠져듭니다.
Concern turned to panic today for residents of
The
Hargrove.
killer had taken another victim, a cheerleader my age.
한편 고등학교 치어리더 소녀가 목숨을 빼앗기는 사건이 발생하고 이로써 연쇄범죄의 네 번째 희생양이 되죠.
What did you say to him?
Caroline, we are meant to be together.
What did you say to him?
그 시각 캐롤라인은 베리를 찾아가 화를 내는데
You think I'm someone I'm not. I am going.
If you leave, I'll kill him. But I might kill myself.
I'm gonna pretend you never said that.
그가 정서적으로 완전히 붕괴해버리면서 극단적인 행동을 시도합니다.
Barry, you're a pussy. You're a pussy, Barry.
그러나 다리를 쏘는 정도로 끝나고
Caroline, it's me. I've shot myself. Bullets skinned my leg. I think it's pretty bad.
그는 이 사실을 캐롤라인에게 알리지만
Barry, I can't even hear you. You're cracking up.
What?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
No, Caroline. No.
그대로 끊어버리죠.
This is Thurston, so leave a message.
Thurston, I'm so sorry about what happened. I screwed up. I know I screwed up.
지금 그녀에게 중요한 건 덜스턴이었고
If you are at the party, just stay at the party. I'm on my way right now. Please.
그가 있을 파티에 급하게 가는데 이때 차 사고가 나면서 우연히 연쇄범죄자를 차로 쳐버립니다.
When the serial killer died that night, everyone in the hospital cheered, and there was even talk of a parade, though it never happened. From then on, the whole town considered me a hero.
이 사건으로 인해 그녀는 마을의 영웅이 되었고
That was the year that everything happened. I'm not saying if it was good or bad. I mean, you can never really tell what's good until later anyway.
몰래 병원을 빠져나와 덜스턴을 만나러 가.
You need to know he's out of my life. And I'm sorry. I screwed everything up.
You saved me.
다시 그와 재결합하게 되죠.
People will tell you nothing matters. The whole world's about to end soon anyway. But those people are looking at life the wrong way. Things don't need to last forever to be perfect.
한 10대 소녀의 위험한 사랑과 감정적 불안, 관계의 혼란을 통해 독특하고 몽환적인 분위기를 자아내는 영화 데이드림 네이션. 지금까지 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.